This tutorial will help you access and find videos using the library's Films on Demand database. You can browse titles from the home page, which showcases featured videos arranged by subject matter or category. Click on the icon just to the left of the Films on Demand logo to browse full lists of video subjects, categories, and producers.
Click the Advanced Search link to perform advanced keyword searching. Limit your results by the type of resource, either videos or audio. When limiting by videos, additional search features will become available. Limit your results by the type of video, the subject, the producer, the copyright date, the language, or the video format. More advanced filters, such as only show closed caption videos and only show recently added videos last 30 days, can also be applied to your search. When limiting your advanced search to audio results, you can further refine your results by subject, producer, and copyright dates. Execute your search or clear your filters with the buttons in the bottom right.
If you are looking for a specific title, type the name into the search field at the top of the home page and click the magnifying glass button. A label to the right of the title indicates the type of resource, a segment of a larger video or the full video itself. A link below the resource title connects you to related videos and to related producers. Click on the title to view the video page. The program window allows you to navigate directly to a desired segment of the video or read a transcript of the video dialogue. A description of the video, subject tags, and video details are available within the videos page. To share a video, click on the share icon. To email the video, fill in the desired fields and click send. To embed or copy a link to the video, click the Embed/Link tab. Copy the link from the record URL field to share a link to the videos page. Copy and paste the code from the Embed Code field to embed the video in another location, like a slideshow or a discussion post. To cite the video, click the Cite icon, select the citation style, and copy or export the citation. Keep in mind that some formatting changes happen when copying citations. Be sure to proofread and correct generated citations. Enter a new title in the search field to begin again, or click the Films on Demand logo to return to the home page. Have more Films on Demand questions? Contact a librarian. We're here to help.